This recording covers creating good graphs and just a general recap on some of the things we need to do for the spreadsheet. First of all, you'll notice there's a filter at the top. So you select the information, you go like that, and 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 you've got a filter on there basically. And then if you want to sort by largest to smallest on the total, you're going to get your top 5 films. Okay, that's basically what we're going to do for one of the parts on the mark criteria, top 5 films. How you can record that, or record that you've done it? Well, as always, press Shift and print screen, and paste it into a new document. What you should be doing at this stage with this document, of course, is cropping it, and this shows and you might want to add which are, something like that. Something clear and simple, nice sentence to explain, an annotation basically. The next thing is graphs. We want to have a look at what makes good graphs. So on this spreadsheet, we've got obviously the fact that it's failed to meet the target. That's also saying you should print screen, I think. It's part of put into a report to prove that you've done that. We've got the purchase per month. Now, it doesn't actually matter what you print screen. It's as long as you print screens. As long as you've graphed something meaningful to actually put it into the report. So you might say, show me all A-grade films. Try and negotiate it down so you can actually talk about something meaningful. So I want to graph that I'd say it's a column chart, as long as you can justify the choice of column chart. And that seems to have worked quite successfully. I'll right click there and go add data labels. It seems to have yes, that's worked quite successfully. So you need to now go right click, select data, and then edit the series labels. Now the series labels on that side of things will be the names of the films. On this side, the legend would be, well, you could write that in, I guess, really, income per film. You're not going to need to do much more than that to maximize your mark. Okay. So I'm now showing all A-grade films. Now, one thing I've just obviously made a slight error on there. Income per category A film. Okay. Sorry. And then what we need to do as well is just go to Move Chart and move that to top A-grade films. So if we move it to a new sheet, it looks quite nice now, and that's clear. Apart from this bit, this actually isn't very clear. So choose another layout, maybe. You can change the font down here. I'm really just doing this to show you what you can actually do with it. That's there. It's all gone in. So that is how to annotate, and that is also how to create a good graph.